Are you looking for the best underwater diving case for iPhone 15? In this video, we want to the top 5 best underwater diving case for iPhone 15 on the market today. We'll consider their product features and values with possible. If you want more information and an update on the products mentioned, check these links in the description. Number 5. Bmad Underwater Diving Case for iPhone 15. Capturing the depths with confidence. The Bmad Underwater Diving Case for iPhone 15 has proven to be a game changer, providing a secure and easy-to-use solution for capturing stunning photos in aquatic environments. Here's why this diving case stands out as an essential companion for water enthusiasts and adventurers. Widely applications unleash your creativity. Designed with versatility in mind, the Bmad diving case is the ideal companion for capturing water-based activities such as surfing, snorkeling, or diving. Additionally, it performs admirably in challenging conditions like rain, snow, wind, dust, or mud, making it a reliable choice for any adventure. Easy and safe to use. Dive into photography with confidence. Each housing case undergoes individual testing to ensure safety and reliability. Using the Bmad diving case is a straightforward process. Simply insert your iPhone 15, and you're ready to capture beautiful images at depths up to 40 meters, 130 feet. This guarantees peace of mind, allowing you to focus on creating stunning visuals without worrying about the safety of your device. Universal compatibility, seamless integration with Android and Apple systems. Whether you're an Android or Apple user, the Bmad diving case seamlessly connects to both systems. The versatility is highlighted through a demonstration with an iPhone 7 Plus, showcasing the easy installation process for both operating systems. Step-by-step user guide, hassle-free operation. The Bmad diving case comes with a clear and concise step-by-step guide for iPhone 7 Plus users, ensuring a hassle-free operation. From installing two AAA batteries to connecting via Bluetooth and securing the phone in place, the guide provides detailed instructions to maximize functionality. Bluetooth connectivity, effortless pairing with seafrogs mouse. The case's Bluetooth connectivity simplifies the pairing process with seafrogs mouse, facilitating seamless control. Confirming the pairing ensures a reliable connection, allowing you to focus on capturing the perfect shot without any technical hindrances. Secure phone placement, lock and load for underwater photography. Ensuring a secure fit for underwater adventures, the Bmad diving case instructs users to fix the phone with the lens facing the upper left. This meticulous detail enhances the stability of the device, allowing you to concentrate on your subject without worrying about accidental slips or movements. Safety lock, additional protection for peace of mind. The inclusion of a safety lock adds an extra layer of protection, further securing your device within the case. This attention to detail ensures that your iPhone 15 remains safeguarded, even in challenging underwater conditions. Functional testing, assurance of performance. The Bmad diving case concludes its user guide with a final step testing the button direction function and camera function to confirm normal operation. This thorough testing process guarantees that the case delivers on its promise of functionality and reliability. In conclusion, the Bmad Underwater Diving Case for iPhone 15 is a must-have for photography enthusiasts who seek to explore the depths. With its wide applications, user-friendly design, and meticulous attention to detail, this diving case empowers users to capture the beauty of aquatic environments with confidence. Dive into the world of underwater photography with the Bmad diving case and turn your adventures into timeless visual memories. Number 4. Shellbox Underwater Diving Case for iPhone 15. Unmatched versatility and protection. The Shellbox Underwater Diving Case for iPhone 15 stands out as a versatile and highly protective solution for capturing your underwater adventures. With an array of features catering to various smartphone models and enhanced functionality, it redefines the way we explore aquatic environments. Compatible with more mobile phone models, universality redefined. The third-generation diving case boasts an upgraded internal structure design, featuring a built-in suction cup that accommodates a wide range of mobile phone models. Whether you own an Apple, Samsung, Huawei, OnePlus, LG, Motorola, Google, Xiaomi, Vivo, Oppo, or other smartphones with a screen size not exceeding 6.9 inches, the Shellbox diving case is designed to be universally compatible. Bluetooth remote connection, effortless control with modern design. Breaking away from traditional mechanical camera designs, the third-generation Shellbox case adopts a Bluetooth connection camera button design. The BT Shutter app for iOS or the Shellbox BT app for Android facilitates seamless Bluetooth connectivity. The non-slip handle includes a Bluetooth camera controller, allowing you to zoom in or out and capture photos or videos with ease. 100% full body protection ready for any underwater adventure. Crafted with advanced, high-quality materials and boasting an IPX8 waterproof grade, the Shellbox diving case undergoes rigorous waterproof and pressure tests to ensure 100% protection during every underwater excursion. The fully sealed design extends beyond waterproofing, offering wind and snow resistance, shock resistance, scratch resistance, and dust resistance, making it the perfect companion for all challenging environments. Precise cutouts, with compass intuitive control and navigation. The precise cutouts for camera buttons and anti-reflective glass enhance underwater control. The upgraded diving case caters to adventurers with the inclusion of a compass, providing accurate direction finding in dark underwater environments. Additionally, it features a phonograph tripod stabilizing point for compatibility with professional photography equipment. Compatible phone models, universality at its core. The Shellbox diving case is designed to accommodate smartphones with a screen size of up to 6.9 inches, making it compatible with a wide range of brands, including Apple, Samsung, Huawei, OnePlus, Google, Motorola, LG, Xiaomi, Oppo, Vivo, and more. This universality ensures that users can confidently explore underwater photography with their preferred devices. In conclusion, the Shellbox underwater diving case for iPhone 15 redefines versatility and protection in the world of underwater photography. Its compatibility with a myriad of smartphone models, Bluetooth remote connection, robust full body protection, and thoughtful features like the compass make it a standout choice for adventurers seeking to capture the beauty of the underwater world. Elevate your underwater photography experience with the Shellbox diving case, where innovation meets uncompromised protection. Number 3. Verdamondo underwater diving case for iPhone 15. Unrivaled protection for aquatic adventures. The Verdamondo underwater diving case for iPhone 15 is a testament to quality and durability, offering a superior solution for capturing the beauty of the underwater world. With its robust features and seamless design, it stands out as an essential accessory for adventurers seeking unparalleled protection for their devices. Super quality durable glass, corrosion-resistant construction. Crafted with super quality durable glass and PC materials, the Verdamondo diving case ensures resistance against corrosion. This high-quality construction not only provides clarity for capturing vibrant underwater scenes but also adds a layer of protection to withstand the harsh aquatic environment. 40 m/130 feet waterproof depth. Explore the depths with confidence. Designed to push the boundaries, this diving case boasts an impressive waterproof depth of 40 m, 130 feet, making it the perfect companion for underwater photography. Whether you're diving, surfing, snorkeling, skiing, yachting, or engaging in various water activities, the Verdamondo case is engineered for uncompromised performance. Seamless and fully enclosed process all-around protection. The adoption of a seamless and fully enclosed process sets this diving case apart, providing comprehensive protection against water, drops, scratches, and dirt. The meticulous engineering ensures that your iPhone 15 remains shielded from the elements, allowing you to focus on capturing the perfect shot. Clear image view and easily control underwater intuitive functionality. The Verdamondo case is designed for clarity and ease of use underwater. Its clear image view ensures that you won't miss any breathtaking moments, while the intuitive design allows for easy control even in aquatic environments. The rotating and labor-saving opening design, coupled with conductive adhesive touch control, enhances functionality with high strength and pressure resistance. Use for dedicated cell phone tailored for precision. This diving case is tailored for use with the iPhone 15, providing a precise fit for optimal performance. The rotating and labor-saving opening design ensures effortless access, and the conductive adhesive touch control adds a layer of convenience for capturing moments with precision. Ideal for various water activities. Versatility unleashed. Whether you're diving into the depths, riding the waves, or cruising on a yacht, the Verdamondo underwater diving case proves to be an ideal companion for a spectrum of water activities. Its rugged construction and reliable protection make it a must-have accessory for anyone seeking to capture aquatic adventures. In conclusion, the Verdamondo underwater diving case for iPhone 15 stands as a beacon of quality and protection in the world of underwater photography. From its super quality durable glass to its seamless and fully enclosed design, every feature is meticulously crafted to elevate your underwater experience. Trust in Verdamondo to safeguard your iPhone 15 and capture the wonders beneath the surface with unparalleled clarity and confidence. Number 2. Shellbox Underwater Diving Case for iPhone 15. Unrivaled safety and convenience. The Shellbox Underwater Diving Case for iPhone 15 sets a new standard in underwater phone protection, blending innovative safety features with user-friendly design. This review explores how the inclusion of a fall protection rope, metal fasteners, and a host of other elements makes this diving case an essential companion for underwater enthusiasts. Fall protection rope safeguarding your device. One standout feature of the Shellbox diving case is the fall protection rope, ensuring that your iPhone 15 remains securely tethered to you during dives. This thoughtful addition minimizes the risk of accidental drops, providing peace of mind while exploring underwater wonders. Metal fastener enhanced security. With 6 metal fasteners, the Shellbox case achieves a higher level of buckle firmness. This robust design not only reinforces the overall structure but also adds an extra layer of security, ensuring that the case remains tightly sealed against water, drops, and impacts. PC front covered durable construction. Crafted from imported PC material, the front cover exhibits excellent aging resistance. This durable construction ensures that the Shellbox diving case maintains its integrity over time, withstanding the rigors of underwater adventures without compromising on performance. Provided with case opener easy unlocking. Included with the case is a handy opener that simplifies the unlocking process. The opener is a valuable accessory, especially when dealing with a case designed for optimal underwater protection. It adds a layer of convenience to the user experience, making access to the device hassle-free. Generation 1 waterproof diving case compact and functional. The Shellbox diving case, labeled as Generation 1, is tailored for specific needs. Its smaller lens and single shutter design make it compact and functional, though it's essential to note its limitations. The case is best suited for phones with volume buttons on the left side, featuring a single phone body fastener that corresponds to this specific design. Waterproof up to 15 meters comfortable design. The Generation 1 waterproof diving case is designed with a waterproof capability of up to 15 meters. This depth is suitable for various underwater activities, and the case's ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, making it easy to hold during aquatic adventures. In conclusion, the Shellbox underwater diving case for iPhone 15 strikes an impressive balance between safety and convenience. The addition of a fall protection rope, sturdy metal fasteners, and durable PC construction make it a reliable choice for safeguarding your device in underwater environments. While the Generation 1 model has specific design considerations, its compact nature and waterproof capabilities make it an excellent choice for those seeking a reliable diving case for their iPhone 15. Dive confidently into underwater photography with the Shellbox diving case, where safety meets user-friendly design. Number 1. Bmad Underwater Diving Case for iPhone 15. Unmatched compatibility and robust protection. The Bmad Underwater Diving Case for iPhone 15 emerges as a versatile and reliable companion for underwater enthusiasts, offering an extensive range of compatibility and robust protection features. This review delves into the standout qualities that make this diving case an ideal choice for those seeking to capture the beauty beneath the surface. 100% waterproof IPX8 submersible protection. The Bmad diving case achieves a remarkable waterproof rating of IPX8, making it submersible up to 98 feet/30 m for 30 minutes. This perfect waterproof case ensures great protection for a variety of underwater activities, allowing users to confidently capture moments beneath the water's surface without worrying about damage to their devices. Full body case with 360 protection anti-scratch, anti-shock, anti-fingerprint. Crafted with a combination of hard PC and soft TPU materials, the Bmad diving case offers full body protection with a 360 approach. The case excels in providing anti-scratch, anti-shock, and anti-fingerprint functionalities. Whether engaging in surfing, fishing, climbing, rafting, cycling, hiking, camping, swimming, skiing, snorkeling, or other outdoor activities, this phone case becomes a reliable shield against dust, water, sandstorms, and soil impurities. Important reminders: user-friendly precautions. The Bmad diving case comes with user-friendly reminders to enhance the user experience. Users are advised to remove the phone protector case before placing it into the diving case to avoid difficulty and ensure clarity when shooting underwater. Additionally, conducting a waterproof test before submersion is recommended to ensure the case's heavy-duty shockproof capability. In conclusion, the Bmad underwater diving case for iPhone 15 stands out as a comprehensive solution for underwater photography and activities. With its broad compatibility, impeccable waterproofing, and robust full-body protection, it caters to the needs of adventurous individuals seeking to capture stunning moments beneath the water's surface. Dive confidently into underwater exploration with the Bmad diving case, where compatibility meets uncompromised protection.